Hey guys, today we're going to change a gas valve on a 98 Fatboy. Store this bike for a family member and I went to move it, start it up the other day. And I got a finger full of gas, I guess the petcock or fuel valve, I guess we'll call it, to keep YouTube happy. Started to leak. It's an original part, so you know it's 25 years old. The bike's at 98, so it's about 25 years old. It is the stock vacuum operated unit, and I'm going to just take it out and replace it. I got a Pingel here, and these work really well, and they are made for modern ethanol gasoline. I'm certain to get the ethanol and the gas probably ate the gasket, and now it's starting to leak. So I'm going to try and do this in real time. It shouldn't take more than a few minutes. I may have to stop the camera if it goes really long or I run into a problem, but let's see if I can't show you how to do this. So here's the bike. Fairly original 98 Fatboy. It does have a Mikuni carb and a set of pipes on it, but that's about it. First of all, it does have a little bit of gas in it. If you do not already own a flex funnel, I suggest you buy one if you work on motorcycles. One of the greatest things ever invented. You can just shove it up in here, bend it where you want it, and let the gas run out. There is the old one. Now I can see that so the ethanol also eats the liner out of the tank, and that's what that is. It's a piece of the liner. So the liner's starting to come out of the tank, which is common. I guess the way to repair that would be to just take it apart, or take the tank off and soak it in acetone and get the old liner out and then reseal it. We're not going to do that today. We're just going to put this back in and put gas back in it so we can start it up once in a while and just keep it running for them. And make sure the bottom of that's clean. And then this is the vacuum tube, which they actually include a cap in with this to unhook that vacuum. So then this would be just a mechanical, like on and off. So it just, this one has reserve, so it's off, reserve, and then on. And it's nice chrome, stainless steel screen and all, so these are really nice. And they float 2 or 3 times as much as stock, which is good for your modified bikes. But this one's bone stock. So I would just put it up here loose. There is a plastic gasket in here, and then you put it up here loose where you want it, and then you just start turning the nut, and it screws on both sides at the same time, and that's how it tightens into there. The end of this hose is really soft. This hose should actually be replaced, but I don't have one, so for today I'll just cut the end of this off. Put it back on there. Again, I'll replace that at a later date. I just want to get this on so it's not dripping all over the place. And then it just, there's off, reserve, on. So you angle it where you want it, which we want it right about there. So it's 1 1/8 and a 1 inch. Okay. And then the vacuum line goes way up in there. Okay, let's see if she's leaking. A little bit of gas in it. Looks good so far. Everything looks dry. Okay, there you have it. It's a pretty straightforward, simple job. If you've never done it before, it's nothing to be afraid of. A couple of wrenches and 15 minutes of your time and it can be taken care of. So, there's the finished product. Again, on, reserve there, and then off is there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.